Kaganga pikeun urang Sunda. Back again with Kaganga pikeun urang Sunda in lesson 1 part 2. In the previous lesson, we've already learned about the 7 letters of aksara swara or vowels. Today we are going to learn about the prime letters of aksara ngalagena or consonant. Just as a reminder that aksara ngalagena has a syllabic form for its letters, as likely most of the ancient writings that come from the East. In this case, conjugation among the words becomes other elements that enrich the language. Okay, here we go. The first letter is Ka, as in the word karma. This is how we write the letter with 2 strokes so that we can make the word kamari, which means yesterday. The second is Ga, as in the word gabro. You can write the letter as follows to make the word gajah, meaning elephant. Next is Nga, as in the word bang. Here is how the letter is written to make the word such as ngala, or to pick, like picking fruits or flowers. Be careful to distinguish between the letter Ga and Nga. The left is Ga, while the right is Nga. Notice the tail of strokes for both letters. The fourth letter is Cha, as in the word chakra, without the H sound. The letter can be written as follows. The word example is Chaang, which means bright. The next letter is Ja, as in the word jar. This is how the letter is written until you can make the word Jajaka, meaning youth or young man. The sixth letter is Nya, as in the word Fanya, a person name. It can be written like this, to make the word Nyaah, meaning love. The next is Ta, as in the word tablet. This is how we write the letter. And this is the word example, that is Talaga, which means lake. The next letter is Da, as in the word dark. Notice that the word Da is slightly similar with the word Ja, except it has no acute. The word example is Dago, meaning to wait. The ninth letter is Na, as in the word naive. You can write the letter like this, for having a word such as Nami, which means name. Okay, so far we already have the first 9 letters. Those are Ka, Ga, Nga, Cha, Ja, Nya, Ta, Da, and Na. There are none letters left in further. Let's get it on. The 10th letter is Pa, as in the word papa in French. The slide shows how we can write the letters. And the word example is pake, which means to use or to wear. Please not to be confused with the letter Ga, even though it is similar, but it has different stroke for its tails. You can see the slide. The left is Pa, while the right is Ga. Go on to the next letter, that is Ba, as in the word banana. This is how we write the letter to make a word like badak, meaning rhinoceros. After that, we have Ma, as in the word math. Here's how to write the letter. And a word example, that is manuk, which means bird. Next, there is Ya, as in the word yard. This is how you can write the letter and the example of the word, that is yakin, meaning sure or certain. Frankly, it is quite similar with Ta, but please not to be confused with Ya. You can see the difference in the slide. Another letter is Ra, as in the word raccoon, of course with clear voice of R. Here is how we write the letter and the examples of the word, that is Rama, meaning father. The next letter is La, as in the word laugh. You can write the letter like this, and the word example of this letter is labu, which means to fall. In further, we have Wa, as in the word warlock. It can be written like this, to make words such as wayang, meaning shadow. Next, there is the letter sa, as in the word sad. It looks like ka, but it is different. Just check out. This is how we read the letter. And of course, the word example is salam, which means greetings. And finally, the last word is ha, as in the word half. This is how the letter is written to make words such as hade, meaning good, fine, or kind. Well, those are the 18 letters of aksara ngalagena or consonants. To continue the lesson, you can watch the video of the lesson 1 part 3 about aksara rarangken or vocalization. See you. Kaganga pikeun urang Sunda.